As the inquest into Jamaica's way below par performance at the 4th IAAF World Relays continues across the local track and field fraternity, some calls are creeping in for the head of J3's president, Dr. Warren Blake. One of the main accusations against Dr. Blake is that he is weak and subject to manipulation by certain powerful personalities within the fraternity. And that is part of the reason why our sprinting is deteriorating so fast and blah, blah, blah. But hey, fear is fear. This slump in our sprinting was expected, especially in our male sprinting. After that golden era between 2008 and 2016, when Usain Bolt redefined the sprinting game, there was a Safa Powell and Johan Blake in their prime. On the girls' side, there was Veronica Campbell-Brown, Shelley and Fraser Price also in their prime, with those stalwarts either walking away or moving past their prime. Jamaica was always going to struggle to dominate the way we used to dominate, no matter who the J3's president is. For sure, it's hard to watch Jamaica come 4th and 5th and 6th and senior athletes falling up baton changes. But what can the J3's president do about that? Remember, sports is cyclical, and after every great era, things tend to go down. So all things considered, right about now, the Maverick pleads with Her Majesty's Court for a stay of execution for the defendant, Dr. Warren Blake. Yes. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.